Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, I will give you a quick introduction to the 8 parts of speech. In the following lessons, we will learn more in detail. So let's get started. There are 8 parts of speech. First is noun, second is pronoun, third is verb, fourth is adverb, fifth is adjective, sixth is interjection, seventh is conjunction, eighth is preposition. Now let's look at them in detail. So first part of speech is noun. A noun is a word that refers to a thing. For instance, table, a person, maybe a man, woman, an animal, for instance, dog, a place, it can be a home, an idea, it can be strength or an action. So for example, chair, city, taste, vacation, beauty, Europe, etc. All these are nouns. Let's look at some examples of noun. Natasha loved watching my dog play with the cat. So in this sentence, the noun words are Natasha, dog and cat. A second sentence is the boy and girl were holding hands as they crossed the bridge on the way to Shimla. In this sentence, boy, girl, hands, bridge and Shimla. These are the noun words. A third example, let me give you some advice. In this sentence, the word advise is noun. So our next part of speech is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, I, me, she, herself, you, that, someone, etc. These are pronouns. Let's look at the examples. First, don't look at them. In this sentence, the pronoun is them. Natasha saw Mr. Smith and she waved at him. In this sentence, she and him are pronouns. Let's look at the third example. Her dog is very friendly. In this sentence, the word her is pronoun. Now, a third part of speech is verb. Verbs are the action words in a sentence that describes what the subject is doing. Basically, a verb describes an action or an experience. For example, are, enjoys, drives, revolves, work, etc. These are verbs. Now let's look at the examples. Farmers work in the fields. In this, the word work is verb. Natasha and Mr. Smith are swimming. In this, the verb is are swimming. Then a third example. Natasha enjoys music. In this, the word enjoys is verb. A fourth part of speech is adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective or an adverb or even a whole sentence. They can add to or change the meaning of a word. For example, lightly, truthfully, firmly, outside, somewhere, upstairs, etc. These are adverbs. Now let's look at the examples. She truthfully answered the police officer's questions. In this, the word truthfully is an adverb. A second example, I went upstairs to see my grandfather who was on bed rest. In this, the word upstairs is an adverb. Now let's look at the third example. He arrived early for the meeting. In this sentence, the word early is an adverb. Our fifth part of speech is adjective. Adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns. Adjectives describes or modifies noun. Adjectives do not modify verbs, adverbs or other adjectives. For example, beautiful, furry, 15, scariest, old, etc. These are adjective words. Now let's look at the examples. First, Natasha wore a beautiful hat to the dance contest. In this sentence, the word beautiful is an adjective. Let's look at the second example. My cake should have 17 candles. In this sentence, the word 17 is adjective. Let's look at the third example. Natasha is an adorable baby. In this sentence, the word adorable is adjective. Our number 6 part of speech is interjection. Interjections are the words and phrases that reflect a very sudden and strong feeling, maybe an emotion, on the part of the speaker. These emotions may be related to pain, surprise, joy, etc. For example, alas, wow, oh, what an, hurrah, ah. Now let's look at the examples. Hurrah, we have won the cricket match. Let's look at the second example. Wow, Natasha is looking gorgeous. Let's look at the third example. Hey, are you serious? So our number 7th part of speech is conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, until, although, but, if, since, etc. These are conjunction words. Now let's look at the examples. I hope to finish on time, but I can't guarantee it. In this sentence, the word but is an conjunction. Now let's look at the second example. I won't be able to buy that car until I have paid off my debt. In this sentence, the word until is an conjunction. Now let's look at the third example. I asked him if he would help me. In this sentence, the word if is an conjunction. So last part of speech, that is the number 8 part of speech, is preposition. Preposition is a word used before a noun phrase or a pronoun to show its relation with another word used in a sentence. For example, in, on, from, for, by, across, beside, etc. These are preposition words. Now let's look at the examples. Candy is not good for your teeth. In this sentence, the word for is preposition. Now let's look at the second example. The man was rescued by a stranger. In this sentence, the word by is an preposition. Now let's look at the third example. He is a man of great courage. In this sentence, the word of is an preposition. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned a lot. So you can continue studying with me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.